Hello! This is the first stream of the day. Yes, definitely the first one. We have not streamed today whatsoever. Okay. Now, I want to recompile, see if we're actually getting the list now. No. We're still getting that error. Why? Active scene. Hit. Scene list items failed. Your request must contain one of the following fields. All of that. It's like... Why? It's so weird. Why the hell is it working? Do. Um. Maybe is WebSocket error. What's the error code we get? Error code 300. Go back and there. Yeah, we're getting this. This is where we're editing. Huh. What I do? Then back, and back. Yes, and on a match. We are. Yeah, no, we're only running the WebSocket server. Right? Socket service includes this. Yeah, we have a connection. Why? 24, yeah, that's the server. Ha. I love it. You didn't say you guess we have a problem with our send command. Yeah, I guess we are forcing a opcode in. We could. No, 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 no. Let's make a new d equals this. So let's see. Nope. D equals d. Hold on. Now let's remove that and only we need to do dbox box equals data only if data doesn't equals nil. So we check if we create a response, and if data equals nil, we add it instead of always adding it. Yeah. Hopefully this works. Please work. No. Why? Why? Why does, eh? Hmm. Let me log. No. Let's return nil theme elif. Okay, let's do this. Percent. Can I do percent m for map? No, percent w one sh. Mind. No, this is how do you, what would be the percentage modifier for map? Go. Empty dot error for map. Dash Q. No. I want to print the whole map. Slash V. Do you have permissions to impose sections? Oh, sanctions on this Twitch chat. Oh no. Do I have permission? I mean, it's my Twitch chat, so yes. Let's do this. Is it gonna be pissy at me because that code isn't reachable? You do get paid. You get paid channel points. That's your payment. We only pay out channel points. Nothing else. Well, then, yeah, sorry. That's just how it works. Nothing. The way you hate me. Love to drive me crazy. What I do is to myself. That girl is vicious. Somehow so delicious. Wouldn't naming a variable. I think it'll be hard to read. It might be if that isn't exactly what the like the OBS request expects D as the value. So D would be hard to read, but D is what they called it. So I'm just matching their naming scheme. I'm pretty sure the D stands for data, so calling it data might be better, but data is already used. So it would have to be some weird name like data underscore or data OBS or data send or something like that. I think D just works. Right now we're trying to figure out why if I build it. So we're trying to make the communication between this and OBS, but when we run it, it errors out saying it needs the C name. But that C name is optional, and even if I send a request to something that takes no input, it still errors out. Like it gives this exact same error for every request, even requests that don't have those as inputs. Which is really weird. Why? Like, no, requests. Get seen. This one takes absolutely no inputs. But if we do get seen instead, if we run this one, let me pull out the docs. Get current scene. It does not take any inputs. It has no inputs listed. It has, like, it only has outputs. This errors out saying it needs CNAME. It's the exact same error. Like, stuff that has all of these as optional errors out, some that has none of them as an option error out. That's so weird. It's like... adding overthink by force. Okay, Gemini from Google says we should add source name, like that value as the input for that value. Let's try that. Get scene. It's saying we should do I do map string. It's saying we should do this. Oh no, string map any. It's saying we do C. Oh, it's saying we should do this. C name equals C name. Swear to God, if this works, I'm gonna actually be so upset. Yeah, it's weird. I will say something that's super nice about Golang. Let's see if this works. Nope, error. It... Wait. Get current program scene wants a source. Found no source. No source was found by name blank. What? If I give this, what's a, oh crap. What's a scene I can give this? Music. Music as a scene. If I give this music, is it gonna give me a source? What the fuck? I'll get back to you in a sec. I just want to quickly see. Specified source is not a scene. Okay, so it does want a scene. So let's give it the well, let's go with screen. No, let's give it not the current one. Let's give it BRB. Okay, so it's doing switch screens. Oh my god, my fucking avatar is broken. I just noticed that. God damn it. No. Oh, that's not off screen. Why the hell is it still doing set scene? What the fuck? That's so weird. Okay, this bug is way deeper than I thought it was. So we're erroring because we're trying to switch to a scene. Also, okay, let me just go into this. One thing I will say that's pretty nice is you can have... It doesn't error out by doing this. And this is also because it doesn't just ignore them. They work as semicolons. So you can... Which file did I do it in? Not in chat. Actually, I maybe did it in chat as well. Yeah, you can do it in semicolons. So you can, in a single if statement, run a line of code, semicolon, then check that code. So we're checking this error value in this context. Because we're making it in this context, error isn't undefined. Because it only exists within this context. Which I think, like this, I love this syntax. If error equals the command run, if error doesn't equal null, we run error code. And this error doesn't get added to our context as a variable. This is, I love this from Go. This is one of my favorite parts. Okay, so we're somehow... Oh wait, this is set. Fuck! Okay, you know what? That makes a lot of sense why the fuck it wasn't working. That was set, not get. I am very stupid. Nil. I am incredibly fucking stupid. That was set scene, not get current scene. Fuck me. I swear to God if this works. Ah! Fuck! Oh my God. That was what the problem was. I was using the wrong one. Okay. What does this one not work though? Because this one is the correct one. It's get. If I go to the main file, no. Main file? Where am I in the right file? So this one, this is this one. This is get. Why is it still active C? What? Faster check. Okay, I'll sit up straight. Also, hi Ree. I think that's it, Ree. I can't fully read that name. That's it is Ree. Hi Ree. Oh, I did it. Ah, lovely. Forgot to save the file. Good old fashioned. Didn't save. Yeah, see, this one still errors though. It's seen. What if I give this one just a scene name anyway? Since we successfully have get scene. But if I forcefully give this one the scene, let's give it the current one. Like, it's annoying if it is actually not a optional value and it just lies in the docs. But if this works, I'll be okay with that. This does actually work. Okay. So we just make this scene. And we call... Actually, we could just call scene in here, slash... sources. Yeah, let's have it like this. Actually... Kill the lights, kill the actors, kill the... Get active sources in scene. Scene. Hydrate. Water. We over here, scene string. Scene. Nope. Yeah. Now in here, we run. We keep the return. C dot get scene in source. C dot get scene. Ah, fuck, this gives an error. Scene error equals this. If error, nope, if error doesn't equal nil, return nil error. Scene. Yeah, so now we have just some nicer functions. Oh shit. This should just dump the info on the scenes. Kill the light, kill the actor, kill the actress. Yes, it does work. So this just got the info of the current scene. Okay. It's incredibly stupid that this value is defined as... Where's the doc? I have too many fucking tabs open, goddamn. Get scene item elements. Right? Item element list. I'm looking for... Get scene item list. Get scene item list. Okay. Get scene item list. I grab this tab. See over here, this function gets scene item list. The scene name value is defined as optional. That question mark, oh shit. Question mark means it's optional. It is an optional value, like this one and this one, that is not actually optional. That is super annoying. But we made a workaround that works. Now, we need to do a func c star client get source name, no, name string, and it returns this whole shebang. Feel dangerous. I need to play it. I'm feeling dangerous. But that gets source. Let's go get source ID. It returns a string representing the ID. I'm pretty sure it's just a string value, yeah. Okay. We need to do... First thing we need to do is get active scene, or get active sources. So sources error equals d dot get active sources if error doesn't equal nil. Oh wait, this is walrus. 10 oh, this error. Now we do source. Okay. Of sources, and we cast. How do I? What is it called? What do I need to cast? Underneath the skin, says that I feel like a monster. Now that this begun, says that I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. Scene items, that's what it's called. So scene items, that should be in quotes. Items, and we cast that to a new array of any. If not, okay. Return blank. Now begun, not just begun. It's that I feel like a monster. If the scan, that I feel like a monster. Okay, wait. I need to fmt error print. This is from the OBS client. This would be if the source didn't cast to any lesser unexpected format. Unexpected format. Monster. Where'd it go? No, this isn't sources. The source is items. Hello! Items. How are you doing? Ackerman. Now we need to, so this is now a list. We need to, we don't care about the iterator item in the range of items. Need to now cast this exact thing, I think. Yeah, we're gonna cast it. Not what I want to click. Not what I want to click. Tab. That's too many tabs. Let's call this. Source. Now we have our source value. Source colon. This is now going to be nothing. It's just going to be item. We dot cast the item into a map, right? Yeah, there should be a map of strings. A string map string any. Now listen real close. You can hear him like a ghost, and you're never gonna make it out alive. Unexpected. Let's call this. Let's add this so we know which part is editing. Expected item format. My song. What do you steal from the bar on the way down the hill? Me ring that bell and the devil twice as much to keep your soul. Going to do if source. If the name of the source. I don't think I have source name copied. Source name. Source name. Can I spell it? S-O-U-R-C. S-O-U-R-C. S. Source name. If the source name is equal to name, then we do turn. Echo guarantee. Hell's coming. Hell's coming. Hell's coming. Right. What? Oh no, it's not item, it's source. Source, and we cast. Look for source item ID. I am just not gonna type that. Source item ID. I need to cast first. Fuck. Let's call it ID. ID. Okay. Equals this dot cast into. It expects specifically a float 64. Okay. If not okay. and 0. So is it then -1? So let's switch this to be ints. If I don't fit into the perfect piece of shit you wanted me to be, straight to hell. Yeah, they want bitching down me. Who I want to be. Heaven was full. I'm heading straight to hell. So this is if it's not able to cast, not number. Then we just return int cast ID. Nil, because we have no error. And if none of this, then we return -1 ftm printf obs source percent no, percent s for string, I think. Percent f not found. Name. Be who I have to be. Okay, so we get source by ID, we get the list of active sources in the current scene, then we... Wait, what? Oh, my door's open, wait, give me a sec. I didn't understand why my blinds was going crazy, because the door was open, so the wind was blowing on them. Okay, we get this current source. You get the source ID, we get the current sources, we check, we cast it to the right type, error out if it doesn't, search through all of them, excuse me, search through all of them, check if it's the right format. If it is, we check if the name equals our given name. If it is, we check if it's the right format, and then we return that name. Else, we return an error. So now we can get the source ID. So now, we can finally implement this one. So for this set scene visibility, we need to do ID error equals nope, c dot ID get source ID. String is going to be source if error doesn't equals nil, and we return nil error. And if it is, now we have an ID. So now we can run a normal request. Now run a normal request. Except the request we run is what? What is the actual request name? My life. Set scene item enabled. Set scene item enabled. Scene item ID. And this is going to be my ID value. And then scene enabled. This is going to be my visibility. Come on. No. Oh, it's not comma, it's voilà. So now, we now go, let's not do this, let's do, let's scene source visibility. Source, we're gonna call just raid displayed. Visibility is going to be true. So this should make the water jump scare appear, as you guys like to call it. No, error. Set active scene. Wait, no. Set scene item. We also need to pass this scene. Okay. Fuck. I control seed. The bot will be dead for a second. Give me a sec. Oh, oh. The lion with a bunch of lazy sheep. One thing about royalty is that we love the fears. Okay. This is just gonna be exact same code, except we add an ID, but scene equals up, get scene. Now say bring the finger up. Scene. Oh, scene comma. Like a riot, taking off the side. That just worked. This just fucking works. Holy shit. Holy shit. That just worked. I was honestly not expecting that to just work. So now we do. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? I need to go to the main file. Let's quickly add some data to this request from. Let's use the login. No, from name. Gonna be yeah, John Doe. So we got a raid from John Doe. With is this gonna be a string or int? Okay, that's 69 viewers. No, 69 viewers. A raid from John Doe with 69 viewers. Last resort. Oh fuck, we need to edit text still. Ugh. Hmm. I need to. How would I set the state of the text value? Request. Myself, losing my mind. Wanna get under my mind. Outside, knowing my mind. That's blend mode. Remove scene item, duplicate scene item, get scene item, set scene item, transform. Okay. Text. What is the request endpoint I need to set input settings? Okay, so set input settings. Set input settings. I need to go. Func C client set text source text to source name and text are both strings, and we return our standard shebang. Standard shebang return. Okay. Where is OBS? If find that. Set input settings. Name. The name of the input of settings you need to set. UID. Settings overlay. Okay, so we just give it the name. Then d.send request to you map not string any map string any. Why are you mad? Oh, missing comma. Yes, string any. We need to give it the input name. Input name equals source name, then input settings. What is the format for input settings? It wants another map. Another map string any string any. We have a text comma comma. Let's see if this just works. To make this visible, read text. This should be deleted. We don't need this anymore. Dot set text source text. This should be, oh no, should be a read text, and the text should be hi from code. Before I do that, let me just copy this. No. So hopefully what we should see happen is, why error? A request is declared not used. Yeah, okay, you can get voided. Get voided. Get removed. So now, I'll go through the code in a sec. You should see the text currently on screen should just become hi from code. Hi from code. Perfect. So what we're doing is simply all we're doing is just sending the set input settings, the name of the source, and what the text should be. So now if I go back to RAID, I'm going to set the RAID source to visible. Before we do that, let's ensure that RAID text is set to false. This one should be off. Make sure that is. Error. Hiding text. Error. Showing the group. Updating text. Right text. Makes me stronger. Okay, let's make the default RAID message. RAID. No. We need to do it in code. RAID text equals fmt dot string printf nope yes does it include all of this if I do this? Let's hope not. Now I need to Windows V paste in all of that. Fuck. I keep pressing that thing instead of tab. This should be %s. Configure from the scenes. Okay, so it was just me being incredibly fucking stupid. Well, half of it was me being stupid, half of it was OBS's docs being dead ass. Like, ass. I go to requests. So, half of the problem was on get scenes. This one. No. This one. On this request, I was using set instead of get. That's why this one was erroring. Like, because set obviously needs the scene to set to, so that's why this one erroring. The other reason this was erroring, if I go to, like, this one, get this request, get seed item list. In the documentation, this says scene name is not required. In reality, it is required. Yeah, there is some text on the C screen that says hi from code. I was just texting to make sure that will be saying something like this. This is, we're making the RAID message, by the way, right now. So usually that's going to say something like this. User washed in with number of castaways. So that's what we're doing right now. If we go to here, we're making the name and number. Colon. The name is going to be data.from broadcaster name and data.viewers. And now we set text instead of hi from code, we set it to, what did I call it? Oh, RAID text. RAID text. Then we need to show the value. So we're ensuring that it's hidden at the start, then we show it. Error showing array text. And then in the end, we're going to need to hide the group. Wait, no. We're going to hide the text again first before showing the group. Hiding the group, just to ensure the text is always hidden. The text should always be hidden. So in here, there's going to be to do add delay. Right now, I'm just going to turn this off because there's no delay, so it's just going to instantly hide it again. So now, if we run this again, we should see the text vanish, then immediately see the animation play and the text reappear with new dummy data inside. Unless it errors. Fuck, it errors. Error hiding. Source not found. RAID text not found. Shit. Why not? Why you not find RAID text? RAID text not found. That is what it's called. Error hiding text obvious. RAID text not found. So we are hiding, failing at the first part here. Failing to hide you. Let me... Error... No. Walrus equals... client dot get active scene. Active sources. And we... link that. This can be in its own context. Actually, all of these should have their own context. These all can be simplified a lot. I'll do that in a sec. Let's do error getting sources. And then we logger log JSON dot mesh. Fuck this. I mean, no. I have to. Message error equals JSON mesh response. And we just so it's in JSON data so that I can way easier read it. We take that and we just link this code again. Error turning sources into JSON log message, log string messages. Okay, so we should see a fat ass load of JSON appear in the chat. Here's our fat ass load of JSON. Big old load of JSON. It's gonna be easier if I just Control Shift C the whole line and go to the nil file. Control Shift V all the way back to the front. Delete all of that because that's useless info. Back to the end. Delete that. F3. Replace all. Control Shift P. Format document. There we go. About when you were a kid. Okay. Now we control F. This is the only mention of raid. That's annoying. Why can't we set OBS source type scene? Is a group a scene in OBS? Wait. Everything on the shirt. Oh, or happen that never get. I am best and moments and again for the press. Your back room. Fucking hate me. Yeah. Fucking hate me too. No, what? And this name C dot get seen. Oh, it's C dot. Oh, fuck, I have to. This. Oh, fucking hate me too. Fucking hate me too. Is that a function? Correct, sources in scene. In scene. Why? Oh, I hate it when shit just doesn't want to work. Oh, look at that. It's so... Oh, god damn it. In scene. Why wasn't it able to auto do that, huh? Why are you mad? Oh, you're mad because yeah, C name equals... No, we don't know. Yeah. War machine. Wait. Let me see if I do... The way I can taste what I want to see is... if we do this... In scene... Right. If I do this... It would be so neat if groups count as scenes. Specified is not a scene. Is group. Okay. Do I have to use different code if it's a group? Oh, one of the war machine. Oh, with me. Everybody does. A great big laugh. My OBS docs. Here we go. I need too many tabs open. Get group scene item list. It is a different fucking request. Of course. Okay. Requests. God, it is so hard to read with a fucking font this big. Get source ID. No, get active source in scene. That was somehow. In group. Mustn't sleep in. What is? It's the. It is. Okay. So instead of scene, it's group scene. Other than that, it is identical. Da, 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 da. I should have stayed and have. No. It should be this. It should be. Oh wait, no, no. Not needed. This is gonna be. All in me. Man, I keep hitting this instead of tab. I don't know why. If I don't do this anymore. In group. Not hate this place. I should have stayed at home. Request. No, I need to just compile. So this should hopefully give me a list of stuff. This anymore. Have stayed at home. It does. Perfect. Okay. And now we just need to get this to work. It should just be F2. Go to you. At home. Have stayed at home. In what's it? Scene? No. In scene. Yeah. This code. Wait, no. Yeah. God, there's gonna be so many fucking functions in this library. You sleep. You flap your bread for the screen. No, I like it's pathological. I bet you made for the pre. It's pathological. All of this code can be moved into a func parse. Parse with the S. Yeah, parse. Items. Parse scene items. And it takes a array any and it outputs a int error, and it's just this. Oh no, it's search for name on name called name string colon. Webs, what the fuck? I should just dead as ban you for that, Gobus. I can't slap. Yeah, can he? Oh, I'm gonna ban you for that. That is. Yo. Jag kan ju lajda in here, sorry. Reale fucking chat clear. Kan je dit in message delete? Refresh, clear it there. En ik ga je uit time verdraaien. Kan ik net. Ja. Time out. Okay. Na 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 na. Fuck, what was he doing? This is items. And I fall in love. You and me, name and items. Now I can reuse the same code for in group. In group. In group. There we go. Wait a minute. Not found, huh? Oh, it set visibility in group. Right, I didn't. Light out. Yes, this gets current scene. Could also be set group. That's probably a different function call. I'll need to change this for groups. Where is group? Get group scene list. Group scene ID. Where else is group mentioned? Wait. Get scene item ID. Get scene item list. Yeah, it's something else. This searches scene. Wait, searches a scene for group scenes and groups. Confused. Oh, not mean to open that. The lights out. Amplified. Let's scene enabled. Scene item. I'm assuming you have to give it the group. Let's search scene. Next. It's visibility. Here we go. This. Nope. OC control here. Just do another night. Oh. Return this. Not a night. Not record. Just do another night. Source. Scene. Visibility. Oh. E dot. There we go. Okay. Wait, no. I'm not using the new thing yet. Set visibility group. Yes, this one should be set visibility. In scene. Next. That just work. A set group isn't a thing. Push a text not found. Error source rate text not found. Error rate text not found. Oh, error hiding rate text, yeah. So this is failing. It's not F2, F12. This one checks groups now. No. I have a different one for checking groups. Get source and group. It's the exact same thing. Except it should be in group. Why is it all pissy? What? Unreachable code? Oh, wait. Yeah. What? Get sources in group. So source colon. Group. Group. If that works. Up, up. Oh, is my avatar dead again? It is. Yay. I hate this software so fucking much. The fact that it's so inconsistent is what pisses me off. Here we go. Hello? Wait, no. This. Why aren't you working? Why aren't you working? Nah, there we go. Error highlight text rate source not found. Oh wait, we didn't update the use in group. In group. Control. Specified source is not a scene. Error hiding rate text. OBS get specified source. Get source item. Get group item list. Specified is not a source. Okay, so this one goes here and calls this, which calls this, which is where it is. Specified source is not a scene. So here. Oh wait, that should be radius. That isn't the source. Source rate text not found. What the fuck? Why? And why did you die? Oh, no, you didn't die. You just stopped working. Okay. Phew. Christ. Scared me for a second. God, why is this so annoying? Easiest way to do this is just to have raid text outside of the raid message. I guess we're hiding and showing it manually anyway. So we could just set visibility. Error. That isn't needed. No, this is needed. It's gonna be more annoying to work with. Wait, fuck, I didn't actually move it out, did I? No, I didn't. This is gonna be more annoying to work with, but yes, I know you edit here. Since it's not just a single group anymore. Ooh, wait. Okay, it does add the tabs. Good to know. OP. This is gonna go to raid, which way we are. Nope. Shift. The fuck? Oh, never know you could do this. Control tab, huh? Go here. This all needs to be shift tab to hell them back. So close. And is there a strip tab? Go strip. String strip tab. No, that's how it goes. Ah, this is good enough. Why didn't our thing show though? But never climb. Sense of time. We set the visibility to false. I don't know if this even worked. I'm gonna assume it did because it got past that. Set visibility grade to 2. It did. Wait. Oh, was it already active? That might be what it was. If I do this. What a jump scare. Yes! Okay. Now. And the text looks right, right? There's a control N. Fuck. No sense of time. Actually, wait. Can I delete this? Can I add a slash N? Slash N. Is that not something I can add? Fuck. That's how it goes. Come back in the back. Oh no, just washed. Nope, slash N. I can add new lines like this. That works. Blank just washed in with blank castaways. Okay. Now we need to add a bit of delay between turning it on. Time dot sleep. Let's make some consts. Const. Let's call this text show wait. It's gonna be a time duration equal to let's start with 1 second. 1 times time dot second. Answer Um, group hide weight. You're not even great. Text weight. So now we do don't kill a what done, a job done. I'm not sleep for text show weight. We show the text. Also drive. Nope. Time dot Saturday. Nope. Time dot sleep or group weight hide. Dot sleep or text hide weight. Now we need to figure out how long to show and hide everything for. Easiest one to find would be how long this video is. This is almost visible. It looks like 2 seconds. Yeah. No. 1.5 seconds. Mm. 1 second. And it ends about there, right? Does it go to 2 seconds? It might be 2 seconds. Can I see that in properties? Details? Duration 2 seconds, okay. Become a monster. So we need to wait 2 seconds to hide the group. And then an additional 1 second. Yeah, let's go with that. That looks right. Remember to hide that. That looked perfect. Maybe just the fade out transition on thing. Right click, hide transition, fade. Overall though, that looked amazing. Oh, yeah. Video have doesn't have audio. Is it in the next play? Wait, what? Am I not hiding the group? Oh, I'm not actually hiding the group. False. Up the volume of view back to what I wanted. Bit louder. I have no idea how loud it is for you guys. This is how loud it is for me. Yeah. Just barely into the red, I think is perfect. So now I rebuild it. Under washed in with blank castaways. Perfect. Now, make that text a bit more visible, maybe. Yeah. No, I'll make it more readable. Oh, that looks good. See how that looked. Condo washed in with blank castaways. Perfect. Okay. And now we have yeah, now we have a full-on system to do whenever I whenever I get raided. I'm going to go to the main file. Delete this. Go to the sub events. If we have the event, let's make sure we subscribe to channel.raid. We do. Perfect. Okay, so we've subscribed to raid. Yes, blank. Handle raid. Oh, I need to test the data first. So, not what I wanted to press. This should not be redeem type. This should just be could be able to make this private. We can make it private. Yeah. Water, water. Thank you for the water. How are you doing, Reeb? Did you redeem that multiple times? Are you redeeming it multiple times? Oh god, how many times are you redeeming it? Oh no, it was one water and one stretch. Okay. Big stretch. I stood up and everything. Oh, Reeb. Wanna hear a jump scare? I need to go back to the main file. Oh crap, wait, no, I can't do it anymore. Okay. I'll have to do it manually. What a jump scare. What a jump scare. I love that. We should now have a proper raid message. Right? We're calling the raid, handle raid. Death to us. We won't know if that works until we get raided though. So copy this and throw it into all the scenes. I need to move. It's gonna look weird a bit while I jump around and paste this into all scenes. Give me a sec. There we go. Now we go back to the screen. We now have our raid message posted in every scene. We're just able to Yeah, we're able to just use it whenever we want. Should be pretty fucking nice when we get raided. No clue when that's gonna happen, but it is set up. Now let's be good boys and immediately make a get. Um, name. Oh, what? Oh, did I just undo that? What did I just do? Weird. We just see that vanish. Rename. Change the rename. In here we. Oh yeah, I wanna update the other thing. Is live. Not needing that just yet. This we changed. I'll add this thing as well, I guess. This is a new file. Okay. We added raid alert. Added raid alert. Shane. No, what do I want to say? I want to say. We added a raid alert. We added is live party context. We added a. What did we add? Was it just that? Oh, yeah. Was it just that? I think it was just that. Yeah, just that. Okay. Link changes. Okay. So now we have raid notifications going, which is pretty fucking nice. Now, I'm going to close all tabs. I'm going to go to genetic actions, I think it's under. Add. Man. ERB, it's just run ad, yeah. How can I help it? Wow. Finding a visit. Wow. Can I also need to check if how do I check this? Box 0 dot cast to int. No, cast it to a off. Cast it to a chat message. A chat. Then we do if chat dot that we need to do word was this strings dot split strings dot split. We do chat dot message dot text into by space. And we do if words if length of words is greater than 1 and can I do now? If you wanna, can I do this cast now? I think I can. It's not gonna work. I should. It's this. I'm gonna do this hologram. It's getting out of hand. A lot of stuff is gonna need this on it, which is annoying. If length equals that, to if. And now we just copy this verbatim. Champagne, cocaine, gasoline. In between. Shopping cart. Night is eating up. Feeling why that's bad. Oh, it's a string? Wait, what? Split returns a list of strings. Huh? Invalid operator. Value type string is not interface. Words isn't a string though, it's an array of strings. Oh wait, it's because you need to do int and words. Can't go with one type string to type int. What do you mean you can't? Oh wait, no, you have to do string string int convert. Strings dot to int. Nope. The fuck do you go string to int? IoT. This is an error. Gonna be AI what? AT. It's string convert str convert dot AI ATIO if error doesn't equals nil. No, if error equals nil. I could make this be. No, I have to do it like this. My OnlyFans. Let's get on this. I don't understand. How would I reformat this? Do my little lonely chance. And breathe my chest. Oh, my little lonely dance. Here's my kind of party. Where's where my heart is? No. One step backward. Oh wait, there should be less than. Me, myself, and I. Just watching a little lonely dance. A little lonely dance. That should be like that. Hey dot. And attention. My reaper. My chemical rabbit hole spiral. Genocidal. I don't know. The hell? Okay, so it just says I make it a function. That's the easiest way to do it. Okay, make a helper function then. And then this here instead. So let me just double check that code is logical. Pass through. There's no pass through. We need to check the chat message, else with the reply default. If there's a better way of doing this. But that is a way neater way of doing it. I like this here. Let's use this. Okay. I can more easily add and remove steps as needed. So now we test this and make sure it's working. We need to now test that. If I do BRB and I say 60, it should run a 1 minute ad. I only ran a 60-minute ad for some reason. Ad. Yeah, so that all works. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Commercial. Using Twitch commands. Start commercial. When you go somewhere another way out. dot. Nope. That. Nope. Body. Oh fuck, is it in this context? Shit. I don't think there's any way for me to get this. I'd have to drastically change how that works. Oh, no. Fine, back. Oh no. Like that, yeah. Oh, I just remembered. Play.go. I wanted to change all of these to be the far more neater way of doing this. Add this there. This there. This there. This there. This there. This there. Control X. Control V. Just slightly less code. No, this one didn't get. Here we go. Looks a little neater. Okay. Let's commit that. Format some code. No. Copy to do. So, raid message. Oh yeah, we want a message when we raid out as well. Forgot about that. Okay, can do. Are we in Twitch API? Twitch API dot as bot. Yeah, as bot. Send a message. Account tomorrow. If blank error. This error doesn't equal no. Other dot error sending message. So I should start adding raid like that so that I know what's giving the error. Let's add this every error in this file. So we know what file is sending the problem. And now in here, ftm f nt string f one is percent s remember to behave. Then we do data dot to broadcaster name. Principal. Invincible. We choose, we might win or lose. You make me feel invincible, earthquake powerful. I live your might, titanium, fight some platinum. Victory at a stadium. You make me feel invincible. We can just do this exact thing. Except the message is, I don't think we're gonna need any of that. I can delete this, and the message is gonna be I don't have a raid message yet. Let's just do turtle raid a bunch. Oh. Oh, it tells me when caps lock is on. That's nice. Fire. And once I have emojis, I'll make a sub raid. Okay, so if my ID equals the from ID, as in I'm the one raiding out, then we send a message just saying bye from the bot, saying raid message is coming in, then send the raid message. And I'll add another one when I get, whatchamacallit, my own stuff. Let's call this added raid message. Wait, cancel, commit, yes, think. Yellow projector. I need to go take a piss. As it better run ads anyways. Okay. While these ads run, like 40 seconds, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Be right back. Okay, that is now working. So we go to do, and now um, delete that. Since we have that, we need. What's another thing to do? Vector. We do have the ability to basically send audio. It's not its own action yet. Although, when I play sounds, probably just gonna. Although, the way we do um, that thing and the way we do jump scares are gonna be nigh identical. So we could make a jump scare redeem right now. What should the jump scare be though? What should we make the jump scare? I'm thinking of doing the jump scare redeem now. What should we make it though? Is the question. Jump scare. Um, Ooh, wait, I know. Oh, what am I to do? Oh no. Jump scare long green screen. Oh, is there not one of those yet? No, 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 not done. Not done. Long ending. Jump scare green screen. Yes. I don't. I would need to go and make a thing. So let's go do that. Let's go make. Oh, I'm gonna have to fucking play through Iron Lung again, though. I guess we're playing through Iron Lung. Okay. Not that. Is it just gonna launch? I'm gonna have to reinstall. I don't know. Okay, let's... Ending along together. Iron Lung. No one is streaming Iron Lung right now. Wow. Putting the ending for a redeem. Wow. Go over here, edit. Save. Okay, let's also get the heart rate monitor on for the funs of it. Oh, is my avatar dead again? It is. Fuck me. I hate that stupid fucking app so goddamn much. Okay. Let's quickly ever young. Water, don't do in this blood in the water. So do when there's blood in the water. This go here. Switch scene. What the fuck I just did? Switch scenes to game scene. Hit the game. Not what I wanted to click. The game. Hit the game audio. Is this the right one? It is the right one. Fuck yeah. Okay. Now we play some more Iron Lung. Going to pour the blood in the water. Also, before I forget, let me quickly make a new scene that has the stuff set up so that I can have a bit of wood. I just want to have a game and audio. Okay, so when I switch the game clean, it has nothing except, like, absolutely nothing in it. So you won't hear me scream. But it's gonna be a good clean recording, which is what I want. Oh. I don't know where to... here we go, any key to continue. Press any key. I am pressing keys. Okay.
Beginning your descent. Cruising depth in roughly 40 seconds. Stand by.
Let's turn music off. We experience nothing but the game audio.
I'm seeing some voltage irregularities in the instruments, so keep an eye out for sparks or flames or anything like that.
Yes, I will. I haven't played this game in a while, so...
The whole feeling is that it's
played in a
still
while.
holding strong.
I'm gonna have to relearn... Not relearn the controls, but I don't have the map memorized anymore.
We're starting to lose radio signal. You'll be at cruise depth soon, so return and be careful. You're on your own. Good.
Go. Now, game is right. No, tab is map. Okay. I'm about here, and I need to get you over here to get the jump scare. That is it. 80, 100. We're about right there. Facing due north. My value. So we hit about 200. But at 200, we will turn one in 90 degrees. But again. We are at the 90-degree mark. Close enough. Yeah, it's good, I guess. Let's go to 3200. With more than enough space. No need to worry. Should have more than enough space. There should be no need to worry. Should have more than enough space. I don't know why I'm worrying. We have more than enough space. There's no need to worry. Blood in the water. Where did I say? Like 320, right? At like 310. We can probably start turning this way. I want to go this way till we hit do exactly 45 now. We're at 340, 320, so like 20, 340. We're like there. Okay, so probably gonna see some bumpy on this side. We want to angle up a bit more actually. Just keep going until we reach some walls. Currently at 370, like there. At 270, like there. 270, 370. We're here. We're about to hit a wall. We need to go straight up. Yep, that we were about to slam right into that wall. Gonna be at a Y value of, let's go 300, 350. It will roughly there. We've passed it actually. We need to turn this way now. Not that sharp. We're over there. We need to go a bit more up first. That's a way too sharp up. With my mouse, whoopsie. And we wanna up a little bit now. We're at 380, 300, 300, 80. We're on 300. Yep, so we're about here. We go up a little bit more till we'll reach about almost exactly 350. Once we're at 350, we hard right. Oh, okay, we're getting there too fast. We're getting there too fast. Oh shit, oh shit. Wait. Where the fuck are we if we hit that? 340. 400. 340. Oh, is the hole just that fucking small? Wait, what? 9380. 338. Our Y value is about there. And our X value is 405. So we're about there. How is there something above us? We should be going more up though. What? Yeah, just rock hard wall there. Where the fuck am I? Should be good to be able to go to like 350. Maybe I go down a bit though. We go here. This should be safe to move forward. We turn this way. Okay, we made it through the first gap. We want to go, so we're about here. We want to go to about here. So like, 550. Let's go to 350, 550. Angle up a bit. 350, 550. Hit the 350 real fast. Actually, we might hit them pretty close to each other. 500. There's the 350 we need. So we're about this Y level now. At only here. We can move a bit more forward at this rate. Get a little higher. And we're at 350. Okay, we're going. Yeah, we're going a little too high, a little too fast. And we're at 350. We can start going more like this, not directly up, but like 15 or 20 degrees, 18. Still have to avoid the wall at the 550 mark. I'm gonna go up to reach about 450. Yeah, we should miss that wall. Get that? Yeah, we playing some iron lung. I want to implement the jumpscare redeem. It's a black lung. It's not black lung. Yeah. The ending of this game, I don't know if you know this, but it gets spoiled now, as a jump scare. And I really like the jump scare, so I want to get that jump scare as my jump scare redeem. Yeah. Sorry, the game's been out long enough. You should have known that by now. Jump scare? No, actually, it's not a jump scare at all. It's like just this nice guy giving you a flower. Okay, we are at 500, so we just hit about this mark, so we can hard left. A little bit of vertical. 9 degrees sound good. Now we want to go till our X hits at about... What's that? 370. go 370. And our Y should be between 500 and 550. Might be going up too steep. Let's go right. We have a long ways down to go. Long ways back. Ba-da-ba-da. Walk American. America. America. Wait for. Then I'm on. Start going up again now though.
Oxygen notification.
That's probably fine. That's good because that means we hit the trigger. $370, I think that's what I said, right? Yeah, at about 370. Want to go up again. Let's go a straight 0 degrees. I don't remember that being this long. Yeah, it's pretty long. Now I can just go straight up till we hit about there, which is just under 700. So let's go to 780, 790, 785. Let's call it 785. 780? No, 685. Jeez, I've got to go way too far. Let's actually start going right pretty strong. Here they hit a X value. Pretty good. Oh shit, the fire! I forgot about this event. I was like, why the hell is it so bright all of a sudden? Oh, fuck off. Shit, I might have took too long to take it out. What did I say? It's too bright in my damp dark room. What's outside right now? Nothing. Lovely. Okay, we are at I think a good enough Y level. We should now start hard climbing the X. We should still move up a bit because 75 is about there. Let's move at like, yeah, 75 degrees actually. That's perfect. And maybe walk America. Walk America. Okay, what X value are we aiming for? At around 500. Oh, we're past that. Oh no, we're going up. At around 500, we should be moving a bit more slowly. And oh, that's a bit high. Yeah. That's a bit high. Need to be moving down a bit more. This safe? Will I still hit it? Fuck! I forgot about that. Oh, I forgot about that. I forgot about. Fuck! I just realized I didn't have my heart rate monitor on. Shit. Fuck, man. I've been waiting it this whole time, but I never turned it on. God damn it. America. Okay. Now we have that on. Good. Miracle. Fuck America. Oh shit, I did not mean to quit. No, I did not want to quit. I want to turn to have a look about here. Fucking hell, mate. Not ready for that. I completely forgot about that halfway jump scare. But our rival is going down. We're approaching that. Yeah. Now it's just like 7.
Oxygen notification.
Yes, yes, yes. No oxygen, blah, blah, blah. No melody, like North America. Okay. Okay, where are we now? We are at 600, 600. So we are... What? No, 800. 608. Ooh, we want to go up. We want to go up. We want to go up. Why am I moving away from it? Fuck off. So, not moving up at an angle. We hit about 75, I'd say. Then we straighten out. 60 was probably enough already. Not a lot more. Don't overshoot though. We must look in this direction because it's on the lower side. We don't need to be moving vertically as much, and then we move this way till we hit about... Is that another fire? I don't know. It was another fire. We hit about 675. Okay. I am now going to switch to my recording POV because I don't know at which point the jump scare actually is. I'm gonna... I just know it's around here somewhere. I'm gonna go to OBS, double check that. Output recording, I can't change it. Recording is currently not the same as thingy. I can't change it right now because I'm live. So this might become laggy. And overhead seems to be pretty low right now. Let's start recording. So we have the footage. We have footage. How is performance doing? Still good here. Okay. I'm now going to switch scenes to the recording one. That's a lot more clean. That has nothing else. Because I don't know at what point. I'm pretty sure it's only when you go down that cavern and want to go to take the picture. I'm like probably still good to... yeah. Like I need to move up now. I don't know where the jump scare is. Gonna switch to the recording POVs because I want a nice clean recording. God damn it, I kept reading it as 720. Achas 820, not 808. Fuck, okay. Let's try that again. My heart rate is fucking going crazy, I'm guessing, yeah. Like I know it's coming, I'm preparing myself, and then it just isn't happening. Fuck. Okay, I need to go up 8 more. Where the fuck's my jump scare? What? I got the achievement, because you usually get the achievement if you go all the way around. What the fuck? Where's my jump scare? Did I sneak past it? What the fuck? I specifically come here for the jump scare and I don't get it. Instead, I get the Steam achievement for going around. I definitely didn't go around. What achievements do I still need then? Oh, that was the last one I needed. I just want 100% of the game because of that. Okay. Weird. Why didn't it activate? There was no jump scare. Do I need to search for the... Do I need to activate a certain amount of these? Fuck, man. I don't want to do that. I want to go again. Fuck. Why was there no jump scare? I was so ready for that jump scare. I was like, oh, I was nervous. But I got ready. I got into position. I turned around and it was nothing. Okay, let's see if I can just find footage on it online because I don't want to replay this again. Iron Lung End jump scare. That's YouTube short. Iron Lung End jump scare. Okay, there's just a short clip of it. Perfect. Isn't as clean as what I'm looking for though. There, the green screen. No, that's not. They just. Oh. Hmm. Like rewatching the jump scare now, I don't think it's even gonna be doable. I don't even think I'm gonna be able to use that for what I want. Like, it's a good jump scare. It's not gonna do good as a like cutout green thing to pop out on screen. Surge. Was fun 100%ing the game though. Was not expecting to do that to date. Okay, we need to find something else for the jump scare then. Give me some suggestions. What should we make the jump scare? I want a jump scare redeem. America. America. If I check, I feel like there's something like if you randomly hide. Toby in this group. That's something. Toby is. Okay, let's do that. Game closed. Okay, stop recording. Switch back to Skype. Let's set everything else up first. Here. Yay. Okay, I'm pretty, yeah, OBS is installed through Yay at the moment. Can you check? I'm sure there's just a command that just tells you who. Yes. I don't want to dash eyes in it. Yes. Yeah, okay, OBS is installed. Yay. So yay dash s OBS dash. I'm gonna show all lines. Is the random script just one that is recompiled? Or not a random script, but a random select. Can I see? Hello? Oh, OBS Studio, OBS. No, it's not one of the pre-made ones. Pre-made script. Where is the OBS script? I grab this. Mountain, America. Okay. Let me see. So that didn't work. I don't think the iron lung jump scare is gonna be the best. It's so weird that I just completely dodged over the iron lung jump scare. Making jump scare. Searching chance. Yeah, complete. Software and development. Done. Okay, that title is updated. Updated. Okay, do any of you guys know any good jump scares we should use? No, I can think of some of that, so I try to get this. Script. I think I'm gonna be able to copy this in here because I don't have. Oh, no. Next. Um, I feel like that takes. I feel like this didn't get set up. What do you mean text source? It should be a hotkey. You configure a hotkey and a group. No, no, preferences is just text source. Okay, what hotkey does it use? Source name, is that's defined over there. Doesn't ask for a hotkey. Look, I don't want it to use hotkey. I want it to do automatically. Advanced yes. Yes. Let's see, is this plugin advanced auto switcher? Advanced scene switcher. Let's quickly install that. I just realized I'm pretty sure I need to restart OBS to see the new plugin. So I won't be able to use this tonight. That's annoying. Well, I could get it downloaded. Oh, let's install it fully. Oh, I guess. Password. Oh. There are a few, or 100 providers for this thing. God damn. Um, I don't know which one of those to. Let's go with the default number one. With install, yes. Dun, 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 dun. No, that's gonna take a while. Uh, let's take this video. Yeah. What is a good jump scare? I don't like do that much shit with horror, so I don't actually know any jump scares. Good jump scare. Can't think of any. I genuinely can't think of any jump scares. Adding a simple jump scare redeems. No, I cannot for the life of me. Nothing is popping in. Hmm. Genuinely can't think. We'll play some music while we wait. I want to add a few horror jump scare things. I guess we can make the jump scare redeem so long. I need to go to redeems. Make a new redeem. I'm the people. I am the storm. I am the riot. I am storming. Falling. Walking up. Money worth of it. What's your alibi? Your alibi. Alibi. When there's blood in the water. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Okay, let's call this care or jump scare. Jump scare cost 1,000. Yeah, make it red or RGB. So it's 0, that's red. Oh, clean. Goes this now. Now we need to make a new file and actions. Jump scare. Go. New action. Jump scare. I have not found any jump scares yet, no. That's why I asked you. Oh. No. I haven't found any, that's why I asked you for help. So I need to package actions. Here we go. Dreams. Yes, I live. Yeah, got any suggestions? Because I need some. Just like I want to make a jump scare redeem that like pops up a little something on screen and makes a loud sound. Let's see. Oh, did you read out? Yeah, you did. Okay. I don't know. Like a good example right now. Let's see if you find it. Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna quickly like do the code so long, get it working. Need to do. Wait. If we do, we could have all the jump scares. Right, little wolf bite. Right, little wolf strike. Bite, little wolf bite. Little bite. Okay. Let's see this. That did make me jump a little. Problem is, it's not that loud. Like, remember, you guys, if you guys are gonna be visual, for you guys, it's gonna be visual. For me, it's just gonna be the audio. Unless, is there gonna be a way for me to have it appear on screen? I don't know. There's gonna be an easy way for me to have it appear on screen. I'll need to do research onto that. There's gonna be an easy way. Pop it onto screen. I need to think. Let's check it out. Yeah, this is a classic. A classic. This was one of the ones I was thinking of. Like, maybe do this one. I haven't watched this video in a while. God, yeah, that's still... Oh, still has an effect on me. Flexing car drive. I'm scared. Green screen. Little wolf fight. Fight, little wolf. What the hell? Little wolf fight, little wolf fight. I'm scared by the jump scare. Are there any? Oh, there's also the maze jump scare. Is there no green screen of it? Yeah, I'm gonna cut it. I want to see if I can get a green screen version though. Like, if it just pops up, that'd be pretty useful. Wait. Oh, I just found fucking cinema. I just found fucking cinema. Wait, how do I browser? There you go. I just found fucking cinema.
Hello gays. Today we have a list of top 5 scariest jumpscares. Número 5. Cock jumpscare. Número 4. Lobster jumpscare.
This is fucking cinema.
Número 3. Child jumpscare. Número 2. Honorable mención. Número 1. Spider-Man jumpscare.
This is amazing. Oh. Oh, that was amazing. I love that. I fucking love that. Is it no? You know what? Actually, that's a good one though. The blue lobster. Blue. Nope. Blue lobster jump scare. Let's start with that one for now. Alright, is there just a clean one? I also just thought of another one we should add is Scotland forever. That's also gonna be another one I add. Okay. Yeah, let's go with this one. J. Well said. Well said. I'm gonna look for. What's the website called? Like the YouTube MP3 ripper, MP4 ripper. YouTube MP4 ripper. Jump scare action. Yes, this is gonna be the action used for jump scare. Wait. VLC player can rip YouTube videos? VLC player? Oh, it's action misspelled. Oh yeah, it is. That's fine. Okay, VLC. Open VLC. In VLC, go network. How do I go to network? Open network stream. We open a network stream. And we grab this video. Paste that in there. Wait, do I do the convert? Okay. After it loads. Error. Oh no. Input cannot be opened. What the fuck does this mean? Wait, that's not the fucking link I opened. Is it? Wait. Try that again. Oh, here, here, here. Yeah, that is correct. Let me try convert to video MP4. Okay, this looks like it could be good. A file destination. Let's just throw it in downloads. Let's call this Monster 4. Does that work? I'm still gonna error. Let's just look for a... Yeah, still errors. Damn. Oh, it would have been sick if VLC can just rip for you. Doesn't work anymore. Oh yeah, it doesn't work anymore. Wait. Okay, let's just do the first one. Nope, that's not what I'm looking for. I don't want the Reddit searches, I want the fucking link, you dumb fucks. Mighty Dip, that's the one I was looking for though. Where's the YouTube? I don't want to install it though. Isn't there just... Fine, I will install it. Is there just a ARU package for that? Fuck it! I hate that it needs you to prompt a password. Let's do that again. Is there... Pseudo loop, okay. Yay dash is pseudo loop. Dash dash pseudo loop. 309. Here we go. Oh, I also need to add dash dash confirm. There's no confirm or no dash confirm. Okay, perfect. Do a new one. Let's also install a dash s. Oh, yt. Oh. Yt dash dip. That's what it is. Yt dip GUI. That sounds like what I'm looking for. Yt. Wait, that ytdl. Ytdl get. Let's go this one. Ytdl GUI. Let's go with you. GUI was nice. Yes, enter, enter. Don't stop, don't stop. I did actually install it this time. Good. So then we want to download the blue thingy. I want to download Hot one forever. I'll check my heart. No, set up. Is there one that isn't as slowed? Yes. Oh. Isn't this? Oh yeah. Why not? Oh god, my PC lagging. Holy shit. This build is fucking nasty. Holy hell. Hello? Live. Okay. We're back. Are we back? Uh, okay. Stream dropped there for a second. Oh, stream fully restarted. Whoops. Okay. Yeah, this download was too intense and my PC fucking died. Okay, I guess we're not using that right now. Let's just use a normal mighty ripper. Sure, let's just go with this one. Okay. Uh, Perfect. That's exactly what I'm looking for. I want to save this as what do I call it? There we go, Blue Lobster. Save. Overwrite. I'll install that shit later. You can fuck off. You can get closed. One of my favorite pastimes is letting people in short read their hooking sentence, and only their hooking sentence. Recommend channel button. Damn. What the fuck happened? The YouTube shorts? What? No, what the fuck happened? What happened was I downloaded an app, but the build for the app absolutely took over my PC and it claimed so much performance that. Wait, two chats? What do you mean two chats? Huh? I mean two chats. Oh wait, also why the hell is you not loading? Did Discord break? No, Discord's fine. Oh no, it didn't. It broke. Need to reload. Oogie, why are you? Okay, it's just not loading, so you vanish. Full DMs on stream? Yeah, whoops. I mean, the DMs are basically, hi, how are you? I'm good, hi, I'm good, hi, good. Oh, I'm also good, great, hi, how are you? That is basically the, the totals of these DMs. Okay. Have a placeholder screen cover. Wait. Have a placeholder screen cover, right? Oh, no, not at all. There's actually a thing I want to install in VS Code to do something like that. But that is something. Multiple panic buttons. I should probably add something like that though. Okay. Now though, we have the Blue Lobster video downloaded. We do. Okay. Blue Lobster will be my jump scare. Adding multiple is gonna be just too annoying. Let's create a new media. Jump scare. Jump scare. Okay. A panic button for TTS. I should probably. At the moment, it's just behave. If you don't, I'm just gonna silence you. And when I get big enough, I'll make the TTS be filtered and go through human approval through people and shit like that. But that is a long down the line thing to do. That's not needed for a while. Audio. No, not audio. This is a resource. Resource. Blue Lobster. Move. What is MAUR or MP4? Oh, it's that thing. Okay. I was super confused for a second. Stream shit. Yeah, this is where all my stream stuff goes. It goes in the stream shit folder. And I made it red so that I can easily see it. It's at the moment it's pretty like just dump shit in here, but I want to actually start I need to make a file a script that auto opens all my stuff. That's gonna be a thing I do at some point. When I don't fucking know. Resource blue lobster.mp4 open. I'm gonna say this now. Ear warning, like volume warning. This is probably gonna be loud. Okay, and now I have to do that in this piece of launch.json file. Launch.json file is something I wanted to do for debugging that is useless because it doesn't actually work. No one knows what it does. It does nothing. It can just be deleted. It does absolutely fuck all. Let's see. Another ear warning because I need to hear how loud it is. Oh, that's not that loud. That's not that loud at all. Actually, I'm making it louder because I want it to be jump scare loud. Jump scare. Let's up it from 0. 3 decibels. Again. Oh, that peaked a little. Went out of the blue. Okay, that's really funny. How does that? The jump scare is just. Okay, let's not make it full screen. Let's throw it. I love it breaking a little at the end. Okay. Jump scare. Let's keep that at the top, yeah? Now, I need to do... it's gonna be fucking hard to make it cover my screen. I will look into if there's a way to easily do that on Linux. If there is, I might do it, because I think it would be funny. But for now, it's just gonna pop up on your side, but it's gonna be incredibly loud in my ears. I will hear it, and it will like scare me like that, especially when I'm not expecting it. Okay, we need to OBS get do column error equals obs.get if error nil. We error doesn't equals nil. I need to future project 27. Yeah, future project 23. Let's add it to the to-do list. Jump scare redeem. Pop up, pop up on screen. There we go. Now it's on. Now it's in the to-do list. Also, if you have ideas for shit, feel free to drop them right into the to-do list if I like it. Like redeems or commands or shit like that. It's error. Then we do flags.error equals fmt dot error f failed to get OB client button flags. Now we do if blank error okay, overloading error equals client dot we need to set scene visibility, scene jump scare. I spelled it right. JUMSC of effect 2 that way. Not longer flags on get the imprint error. I'm gonna spell this word. Visibility. Oh wait, I need to this error doesn't equal nil. It doesn't equal nil. Now the jump scare as well. Oh, we also need to flags dot hip active equals true. Return flags. And then after all that, that should just be it. No, we need to make a func the nameless function. Immediately call it. Now we're creating a virtual a thread. Creating a thread. I'm gonna do time dot sleep Let's go with... How long is the video? It's about 5 seconds. I'm gonna make it a bit shorter and cut it off soon. Time.second. Sleep for 4 seconds. Then I just copy this. And holy lag. It should just be logger.error. Error, nope, logger.error. Why isn't it? No, it's because it's capitalized. Logger, here we go. I failed to set visibility. Just nil. Go on nil. Yes, perfect. So we're just a jump scare. All it does is it gets our client. We should also have this here. Gets our client. If the client fails, we add the error to the flags. We skip one to because the last part or the second part is going to be complete redeem. Skip one skips the complete because it failed to complete the redeem. Same here, it skips because it fails to complete. Here we set the visibility. So we get the client. If it fails, skip the next one. If it doesn't fail, set the visibility. If it fails, skip the next one. If it doesn't fail, create a function that hides it. If the hide fails, then we just log it. And this is a go function, so this is running on a separate thread. So this will end. This will go to return while still having this function running, I think. Now this should be actions dot jump scare action. I know. What's your say? Okay. Let's rebuild and see if we get a new redeem. I don't see a new redeem yet. The main event. Let me refresh my page. See if there's a new one now. Uncharted waters. Nope. Okay. Did it error initializing? Oh, we failed to subscribe to raid. Unknown verification key. What? Unknown subscription type. What the fuck? I'll need to go and deal with that in a sec. Failed to delete old message. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Event sub, why not found? Oh right, it's not here because we didn't add it. Defined redeems. Gonna be blah 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 blah. What's it called? Hold it. Jump scare redeem dot title. Jump scare. There we go. Now that's done like so. Now let's quickly see why am I erroring. Sub. Oh, I misspelled fucking stream. No, stream. Stream, not offline. Also, It is spelled, no, it's misspelled here and here. And we do event subs. That's spelled right and that's spelled right. Okay. Oh, this. Let's rebuild. Could I spotted that, else none of the raids would have actually come through. There's a few more errors I should be trying to fix, which I guess we could do after jumpscare works. There's jumpscare. Here we go. Okay, let's taste it. Yay! Ooh, it didn't hide. Okay, so the go routine isn't working. That's annoying. Why isn't this working? You blue lobster? Yeah, you jumped back to your blue lobster. Okay, gonna... You know what? Let's not have it async. It's not asynchronous anymore. There we go. Up. There we go. Let's test that again. Oh wait, I need to recompile the test again. Before we compile, let's go and see. Oh wait. Never mind, this probably did work. I just didn't set it to false. False. Let's test it again. Because having it be async would be better. Okay. I'm scared. Redeem. Perfect. It hid and everything. And the redeem completed because we successfully ended. Yippee! Okay. Now let's try and figure out why I'm getting so many errors. God damn. What is this? Sub events. No, sub events. Let's not print that. That's fucking like mudding up the log file quite a lot. Error. Remove non-enabled event. Why is it still trying to remove them? Failed to delete all event. Message not found. Oh right, I need to figure out why the hell that is. Hmm. Okay, so those errors I need to figure out myself. Failed to subscribe to chat message. Wait, failed to subscribe to chat message. Error. Failed to subscribe. Right. Error. Bad request message. Unknown verification key. Description. Unknown verification key. What? Weird, man. This isn't correct. Right. Cannot offline. Shut online. Channel. Right. Okay. Unknown verification error. Error. Verification. What? Require one of tags. Okay, how? Okay, I could flip this whole. Oh, it's. Wait. Generate webhook example. Creating. Wait. Share notifications. Notification. I need two. And this. I need to provide this. Oh no, that. Did I copy? Oh god, no, that copied way too much. We'll see. I just need to copy that. Copy. Okay. How to subscribe to Raid? Huh? What does this say? How to this? Why did it fail? Oh, does it? It says in the docs it can accept two, but maybe it doesn't. Maybe it has to this one. Okay, it's not failing anymore. Nice, event bodies info. Oh, it's 404 not found because these ones are editing. Yeah. That's in the sub. That's from this. Oh, what I want to do. Okay, here we go. Now, why is this not working? Um, delete event subscription. We send a delete post to this ID. It's a string. ID equals my ID. Just send a delete. I guess this doesn't work. This only works for active subscriptions. Let's just delete all of that then, I guess. Only remove it if it's enabled. That works. Now we're not getting any errors while booting up. Fuck yeah. Electrify. Okay. Let's see. Oh. Wow. What else did they do? Something quick. I'm actually getting tired. I might actually just end it here, I think. I think this was a good place to end it. Stream did die, so I actually know how long I was live for. I think it was a good couple hours after a like 6-hour stream. We streamed a decent amount today. I think I'm gonna call it here. I'm not streaming tomorrow afternoon, only streaming again late at night. So I will, yeah, Sunday night. I just have it listed as even more code. I might play some games, I'm not sure. Yeah, see y'all then. Let me check. Yeah, not enough people to raid, so I'm just ending stream. Bye bye. Oh, we also not gonna test the. Oh wait, no, we had an extra message. Yeah, okay, never mind. Night night, night with